For peace is the pulse of this nation. Its rivers and valleys dance to melodies of tranquility with every adventure seeker that sets food on this land. Lesotho is where the sun comes to set and the stars parade on the skies to compose symphonies that have your names echoed into your tourism archives. This land has a story of hospitality investment to tell, to color memories through the waters that run along the spine of Sinku. From stream to stream, Lesotho ke hae.
Welcome to Lesotho.
You are welcome.
Welcome to the splendor of the veils. Ooh. Welcome to the silvery, the bright and shining streams, the elevated land of Moshweshwe.
Hills. You can never compare